morning, gentlemen. Let's do this. Ah, yeah, right there you can see me. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning. How are you? How are you? This is Sunday morning. Gentlemen, today I want to, someone had a party today. Today, I want to go for a walk. I'm driving to the place that I want to go and walk. Changing environment is a good thing because it will encourage you to walk. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to a different place than what I do usually, so I can walk. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. For those who are sleeping right now, some of us who just woke up. It's been a couple of days I've not done any content. Gentlemen, laziness is a bad thing. I'm gonna post a video today. Today I'm going to post a video, and I promise it's gonna be a really good one. We are going to. If you go back to my videos, you'll see a video that I'm riding a bike. That's the same park that we're gonna go to. But the road from our neighborhood is not open, so we can't go through there, so we have to go around the neighborhood. Just go back. It's gonna take a longer road to get there. So that's where we are going to walk today. Believe it or not, this area used to be a farm area, big farms. So it has been built. There's small patches of farms left. Like this is a small farm on this other side. I don't think you can see it. This is another farm here. I want to turn around my video so I can show you guys. The grass is kind of tall. Let's go park it at the right place. I don't live in this neighborhood. This is the pool, but it's a beautiful area. So we come from other neighborhood to come and walk here. So that's what I'm doing. Let's go walk. Set our clock. To walking, we're not running. There you go. So they've been set. They started walking. Yes, you can see the sunset. It's coming out. Looks beautiful, looks beautiful. The sunset looks beautiful. That's a good picture right there. Good picture. Yes, gentlemen. Let's do that walking. Walking. So we're gonna go this side. Last time we went this side to the pool. Let's go this side first. Then we'll come back this way. Yeah. That's beautiful. It's fast, so I can be showing you a lot. The features as we walk. So that's walk from my neighborhood on the other side. So as you see, the sun is coming out, and we want to enjoy the walk before the sun is too much. That's what we are doing. That's the maintenance place down there. They do have a small lake. Down there. And this is how the streets look like. So we walk. So this is a neighborhood, but they have this walking place, and we live on the other side. The lake, the other side up there. That's where we live at. So people are walking dogs, we're doing exercises. There's a small lake here. You guys can see. The sun is coming up really fast. See. Don't want to get film other people without their consent. Alright guys. Good morning, good morning. Woo. Beautiful, beautiful landscape, beautiful grass. There are fish in there. Saw fish jumping up. There's some fish in there. So you guys, you know, it doesn't take a lot. We need to appreciate life by just making our environment beautiful. You know, you can do the same thing in Kenya. We can invest. If you're making your compound or your neighborhood, you can invest in making your neighborhood or your compound beautiful. Cut your grass nicely. Even when you wake up in the morning, you feel good when you're walking in your neighborhood. I wanted to say that even the government, our cities, actually this is not going to be the big government, it's going to be the cities. They need to invest in building parks in our lovely country, Kenya. They don't, but they need to, because parks, beautiful parks like this, number one, it's an unhealthy thing. Of course, people walk home. Most people walk, they don't drive. And also, it will change the moods of the community. People will enjoy the landscape. They will appreciate what they have. And you know, these are the things that we appreciate. Sometimes it's not too much politics, it's poison instead of violent community. So, but let's start with from our compound, our homes ourselves. Let's make them beautiful. Simple things, just build a walkway, cut grass with a machine nicely, build, plant flowers, you know, make it a beautiful compound that you enjoy. When you have a good compound that you enjoy, you'll be very happy. If you're happy, your wife is happy. All your children are very happy. You know? All the people who surround you, your family is very happy. But if you wake up stressed, like I woke up this morning now, just came to work. I'm looking at the beautiful surroundings. I'm walking, I'm feeling good. The flowers are here. See the flowers, guys? And we can say that our government need to do this. It's not our government. It's us. It's us who's gonna do this. Morning, morning. It's a big one right there. Yeah. See, they even have places here. Let me stop by, where you can come with your children, and your children can play around, enjoy themselves. As you're walking, you can take a break. Look. You know, this is tires that have been shredded down, and they put them here with glue, so that even if the kids fall down, they don't get hurt. It's soft. Guys, let me touch this. You see, it's soft. So if a kid falls there, they will not be hurt. So these are things that we can make home. Even our children will be very happy. They have a playing ground. I know we do have the natural playing ground. Don't tell me that our children have a bigger place to play. I know that we have that natural playground. So I think we need to go this way. Yes, we need to go this way. Right. Good morning. So the sun is coming out very fast because it gets hot very quick and it gets tough. It gets very hard to walk. This is very hot. It's not good for you. It's not really good for you. So guys, I was talking about the landscape. Even you in your compound, then back home, even in the countryside, sharks, make it nice. Wake up in the morning, walk. It will make you feel good. Stress goes away. Remember, less stress, longer life. Less stress, you have a healthy life, you have a longer life. And that's what we need. Less stress, less diseases. Most diseases come out of stress, by the way, if you don't know. Diseases, I want to turn on my camera so I can show you guys. So they've even made this, that's a walk where we were walking, but they've made a branch so you can come and just enjoy the pool. The lake, the small lake here, or pool, we can call it a little bit. It has a lot of nature. You can see maybe those, I don't know if those are fish or those are frogs or whatever it is. Look, I don't know if you can see that. They appreciate nature, and we need to do that. I'm challenging our cities back in Africa to consider things like this, especially in the town areas, urban areas. Urban areas, when houses are being constructed, they need to allocate land for what do they call it? There's a name they use. Recreation. Land for recreation. That's where they need to build parks. They need to build, when they're doing city planning, don't give out all the land. Allocate land for recreational. And that's good for the population. It's healthy. And there's less stress to even the city. As people work out, when people are stressed, people put all that stress on the city. They remember all the troubles they have. But if you've given them a good environment, people are busy enjoying the environment. Even if you're not performing good, remember, look how beautiful this is. Oh my God. Look where I'm walking, guys. Look where I'm walking, guys. Look. They got somewhere and decided maybe you need to sit down and enjoy the environment here a little bit. So I came here and put a seat for you. You sit right here, enjoy the environment a little bit, and then we continue walking. What happened? I think a tree fell on this one, so they need to repair it. Make this beautiful bridge. Even us, we can do, even if I get a big land, I'll do things like this. Make sure my land, I have this walkway. Make sure I have that kind of bridge. Even they have walking dogs and the poo-poo, you pick it up and throw. And if you enjoy running, I used to run, but nowadays I'm scared running. If you enjoy running, you have all these signs. And people respect. In Kenya, someone have taken a sign. P.P. Owen Park. That's someone who probably donated. Makini Mad one. park policies and rules. They've given you all this. They want you to follow them. And people respect them, right? See what they've said? Park is closed at sunset. I'm telling you, when you come here at sunset, you'll not find anybody here. They know the park has been closed. Pets must be released at all times. I think you guys have seen as we walk. You want proper attire is required. Read here, guys. Read here. Proper attire is required at all times. You can wear the way you want. You can't come here naked. Come on, guys. Please clean up after yourselves, after your pets. Please use trash receptacles provided. Please do not harass or allow pets to harass wildlife. And oh, by the way, and there's also wildlife in there. As you're walking, remember that. Look. As I was walking, enjoying the nature, there's this insect that bit me, and they just distracted me, and I looked it over. This was a kind of a mosquito, maybe. It was kind of yellowish, but it bit me right there by the neck, at the back of my head. And you know, I just had to stop and check it out, and well, I didn't kill it. It's still shaking, but I just had to let it go and walk away, and continued enjoying my nature. As you guys can see, the land is very beautiful. The trees, the climate are good. Keep on enjoying. How can you be stressed? Look at the environment here. Beautiful. So I'm walking. There's a lady coming from the other side. She's doing what we used to call it walking race. Walking race. Walking race. Not walking race. Walking race. Very good exercise, by the way. Walking is a good. Guys, that's a game that they play. They throw those things. I'll show you a cage. There's a cage right there. They'll throw so those things can land. If they land inside the cage, then they get some points. We should find another cage in the front that I'm gonna show you. It's just a game, a throw. It's called disco, like they told me. It's just that we used to play that game in Africa, but we didn't know we probably invented the game, guys. Probably we invented the game. But I remember we used to throw in Africa, you know, you throw, if you land in that certain box, you say, oh, I won. That's what they're playing. They're calling it disco. You can search online. But I will, they have different locations. I'll show you what they're aiming, where they throw it. If you land inside that basket, it's kind of a basket, that means they've scored. So when we get one, I'll show you guys. Stay tuned. I think, let me see if the gentleman is gonna play. So this is the basket that I was talking about. These are the baskets. You see the gentleman is gonna play here. Is he going to? Oh yes, he's going to play. So those kids have played already. If you can see them over there. But
This is the basket I was talking about. I want to show you. So they are throwing these things so they can get inside that basket. Let's see. I don't know if you can see him. I don't know if you can see the gentleman over there in the blue shirt. He's going to play. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, it got close. It got close. Let's do it again. It's gonna throw it. It's gonna throw it. It got close. It didn't score, but it got close. So what it is doing is, I don't know. This is the place that they have to stand and to throw it. I don't know where this is going to. I don't know if it's over there, or it's over there, or it's there. So all these are the baskets they have to score. They have to throw it from there. It has to get into this basket inside here. This is the basket I was talking about. They throw, it goes inside, and they score. There are different colors, yellow, white. I have no idea why. Over there, and I believe they have some inside. I saw them coming from inside there, so they must be having some inside there in the forest. They're calling it, they told me they called the game disco. Don't ask me why they call the game disco. I remember we used to throw stone at home to score. So same thing, but they call it disco, and that's their game. Alright guys, let's keep on walking. Now we are we didn't come this way earlier, so we are taking a different route around the small lake here. Let's enjoy the environment. Let's enjoy the environment. Beautiful, beautiful environment. There was a sign back up there I didn't manage to show you. It's instructing the people that are cutting grass not to cut the grass around the lake. The plantation around the lake, the plantation is meant to preserve the nature of the lake. So the main word here is nature. Preserving nature is very, very important to the environment, and that's what they're doing, preserving nature. So stay tuned, let's have fun. Thank you. So guys, let's see how they're playing. So we have a basket in there that you're having. What do you call it? Is a basket or what? Oh, okay. I see the white. Yeah.
This is the hardest hole.
Yes. Someone told me it's called disco.
Yeah. Oh, Chuck. Yes.
Oh, okay. Hi. Thank you, gentlemen. Hi. So you guys have seen the game is called disco. They have to aim to that basketball, not the basket. And I even forgot to ask them more questions because I wanted to know. So if they score, what does it mean? How are they counting the scores? But it's called disco, and it's just a simple game that we used to play. Even we used to play that game in Africa, but we didn't know we were doing that. Okay. All right, stay tuned. Let's keep on running. You guys remember last time when we were riding the bike, we were crossing the bridge. This is the bridge that we were crossing earlier in our previous video. If you can go back to my videos, look for a video called bike riding in my neighborhood. So we were up there. So today we are walking under the bridge. Crossing under the bridge. Last time we were riding the bike up here. So today we're going under the bridge. It's a brand new bridge. They just built it. It doesn't have to be a river, guys. It doesn't have to be a river. The bridge was built just to allow nature. People walk around nature. There's a small stream on the other side, but this is more of to allow the nature. Still under construction. The tractor is up there. And simple bridge, but save the environment. Alright guys, I'll get back with you. So guys, I had to turn off my video. I don't want to videotape people are doing their thing without permission. Get me into trouble. Remember that we are over here in a world where laws are very strictly followed. We are in a different neighborhood. We don't want to be bad from coming this neighborhood, so we have to respect. Yes, we have to respect them and give them space. So last time when I was riding my bike, I came from that side and went this way. Came from that side and we rode the bike this side. So today we're gonna walk, go around, come back, and we finish our walk. Stay tuned. Good morning.
Good morning.
So these things have numbers. Alright guys, turn it off. They've told you that you can walk inside here, but be aware of nature. Please stay on nature trail. Be aware of poisonous ivy and wildlife. So there's hawks, there's snakes, and poison ivy. Poison ivy is a plant. This is a plant that is very poisonous when it touches your skin. So people get sick. That's what they call poison ivy. You know, I honestly never known how that plant looked like. But I've had it several times, but I can't tell you that this is the one. See how beautiful made the lake. You can walk in between the lake right there. If the weather is good, you can take your seat and go sit in the middle there. It's beautiful. You can come back here and sit and enjoy the weather. It's meant for you. You pay taxes for it. If you don't enjoy, you lose. Everybody who lives in this neighborhood pays taxes. It's called MUD 1 tax. MUD, M-U-D 1 tax. The tax is meant to build this park all this way, and maintenance and everything, make it beautiful. So we pay taxes for it, and therefore you should enjoy it. So we're gonna go this way. Today we are not gonna go on the other side. Last time we rode our bike towards that side. Here we're cutting a walk short, so we're gonna go this way. Our battery is running low very quick. We are at 16%. That's why I'm cutting my trip short, but I believe we've walked more than 3 miles, which is a good exercise this morning. And we're gonna do a lot of walking today. I'm planning to do a very good video for you guys today. Another video coming soon, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's good to enjoy nature. Nature is good to enjoy. See a gentleman right there next to the lake. It's fishing actually. You can also come here and fish. And as you can see, there's a gentleman right there with a white shirt. He is fishing. I hope this trail gets us back up there. That's my intention. So we can go back to our car because the sun has come out and it's getting hot and I don't have any water. If it doesn't get me up there, I'm gonna run up the hill. Cut it short. I think that's what I'm gonna do. The trail goes around. Let's see where it's taking us. Let's follow the trail. It will take us back where we need to be. You see, these houses are taller than the one that we saw earlier. I showed you guys earlier. So normal houses, 2-level houses. It's for the young gentlemen. The last 50 guys, not retired. The retired guys have already enjoyed life, so they don't need big houses. They don't need big houses. See? Big houses for the young guys. So the pictures. So imagine, guys, these are the streets for the neighborhood. These are not the highways. These are the neighborhood streets, and they build them like this. And in Kenya, we cry. I don't know about other parts of Africa, but Kenya, we cry. Cry a lot. Look, guys. We have to love ourselves. So my intention is to get back and walk down the highway, I believe. We can get me back to the park right there. That's what I intend to do to the park. Let me see if I can get up here. I don't want to go all the way. Oh, okay, there's a street over there that it will take me back. Yeah, I'll be okay. I see a street over there, and I believe that street will take me back to where my car is. Okay, guys, I'm on 10%. So guys, I'm about to finish my walk. My battery is 10%. I want to end my video right here. I want to say thank you so much